Hi, it's me, Shirin, Poyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam. All over the world, a lot of people now aware about Poyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam because a lot of videos, a lot of articles, a lot of puja functions already in our online. So people understand that Poyar Sri Vishnu Maya Madam is doing great job, great pujas in their temple. And I'm getting a lot of calls from outside the country. They doesn't know Malayalam, so they requested what is going on in Puyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam, what kind of pujas are going on, how they can reach me, how they can do the pujas. A lot of questions. So I thought my point of view, my thoughts about Puyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam. If I say something about the pujas and Vishnu Maya Swami and Chatan's power in a video, so everybody can understand who is not aware of Malayalam very well. So I would like to tell you very clearly, Vishnu Maya Swami, it's very powerful and very fast result if you worship Vishnu Maya Swami